Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for tonight's video, we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing for October. So we are already into November and I am late on doing this unboxing, but the box came late and there's nothing I can do about that. You guys, if you are not new to my channel, know how I feel towards Boxycharm lately. They've really been shitting the bed. I've been getting most of my boxes incredibly late and they haven't really been the best. So it's late, it is what it is. We are on November 4th already and that's when I'm filming this video. So hopefully this video goes up tomorrow on the 5th and whatever. So we are doing Boxycharm unboxing tonight and I'm excited. So this is October's box, not November. So if you clicked on this video thinking this was November, it's October. Alright, so now that the thumbnail is out of the way, we can go ahead and do the unboxing. So this is what this month's box looks like, if you can see it. So we did get the foam again this month, which is awesome because sometimes they send out cardboard as in like the packing and it doesn't always work. Things kind of break and I just don't particularly like it when they send cardboard stuff. So we do get a card with all of the lists of items that we get and all of the pricing, so that's really cool. And this is what the inside of the box looks like this month. So the first thing I see is a Luxe thing, so I'm curious. So this is Luxe. This is my favorite brand of brushes, and I'm assuming these are brushes. Oh my god, we got brushes. All right. I am very, very excited for this. So Luxe is one of my absolute favorite brands for brushes. They make beautiful brushes. Almost all of my brushes are Luxe because I did get an entire set from Boxycharm in my Boxy Luxe. I think it was December of last year, and I have been obsessed with their brushes. Their brushes are so soft. So they come in all of these different colors for their handles. So I have some gold ones, I have some pink ones, I have some purple ones now. So I have a pink one, I have the regular ones are like this rose gold kind of pink color. I do have these purple ones now, and I don't know what else I have for Luxe. I think I just mostly have like gold and pink. But that's really awesome that we got purple ones. I'm so happy to have these added to my collection and these look like they're going to be really awesome. So these retail for $40. So it's a 5-piece rose gold synthetic brush set. This versatile collection includes a tapered shading brush, blending brush, medium angled brush, larger shader brush, plus a brow and lash brush. Stash them in your Luxe pouch for a glam on the go. So we did get a pouch that does say Luxe on it and it does have a rose gold zipper on it and that is really awesome. So I'm very excited. $40 for brushes is actually very expensive for me. I remember I was going to order a set of Luxe brushes on their website, but the shipping to Canada was just so expensive that I didn't end up ordering them, and I'm just really grateful that we always get them in subscription boxes, which is one of the main reasons I have not canceled Boxycharm, even though I've been very disappointed with them lately. I love getting brushes, so that's one of the main things. And being in Canada, it's actually very, very expensive to ship things from the States to us, so I always have to pay a crazy amount in shipping, and I hate that, so I'm very happy for subscription boxes. So we are at $40 so far and I think that is pretty cool. So the next thing that I see is lashes. This is the brand Lava Lashes. So it says pair of premium faux mink lashes, use up to 15 times per pair. They are cruelty free. So they look like they're really pretty, a little bit more natural, but they are really pretty. I do think I will wear them and give them a shot and see if I like them. They retail for $20, so $19.99. That is a little bit more than I would normally pay for lashes. Usually I get my lashes through Urban Pop Lashes. I do have a code link down below if you guys are interested in picking up some lashes. I don't believe I get anything with that code, it's just a discount code for you guys, but my code is linked down below. But my lashes that I usually get look like this and they are really pretty, and it comes with 2 pairs and a lash applicator and it's about the same price. So I would say that $20 for 1 pair of lashes is very expensive, but they do look like they are really pretty and I'm very excited to try them. So they retail for $19.99, so that is pretty cool that we got them in a Boxycharm, and I won't say no to lashes. I have so many pairs of lashes though that I probably won't use them right away just because I do have a lot on the go already. So the next thing I see is a lipstick, I believe. This is the Love It, Flaunt It, You've Got It. So this is a lipstick. So the packaging is really cute. It's this rose gold tube and the color is Soul Matte. So, well, that's interesting. So it looks like that. There's hair on it, which is kind of weird. It smells kind of like coconut. It kind of smells like cookies, but like there is hair on it. Is there supposed to be hair on this lipstick? Oh my god, I'm getting flashbacks to like Jaclyn Hill with her hairy lipsticks. I'm gonna have to ask Boxycharm why there's hair on this. That's kind of odd. It's like tiny little hairs all around it. I'm gonna see if you guys can see this. I'm hoping this is in focus, but can you see the little hairs that are on it? Kind of gross. So I'm gonna contact Boxycharm and see what they say. Okay, so I will try to insert a photo of it if you can't see it on camera, but it does have like hair through all of it, and like that's really odd. So I've contacted Boxycharm just asking them if they know what's going on with that, but that's really freaking weird and kind of gross. So that retails for $20 and I'm not impressed. So the next thing that I see is Dose of Colors. So Meet Your Hue Full Coverage Concealer. So I did get a concealer. So they sent me the color 03 Fair. I'm hoping that is the right color for me. I am very fair, so ooh, it actually does look like it probably will match. It's a very gorgeous packaging. I've never tried Dose of Colors. Ooh, I like that applicator. That applicator kind of reminds me of the Too Faced, not the Too Faced, the Tarte Shape Tape. It kind of reminds me of that. So I'm just gonna put it on my hand and just see what the color is like. All right, so that probably will be a good match for me, just because I like to use a very fair concealer on my eyes before I put on my eyeshadow. So I like my eyeshadows to pop, so I put a base underneath it of a really light concealer, and then the eyeshadow just pops a little bit more. So I'm very excited to try this out. I will let you guys know in a future video how I like this, and I will do a tutorial using it. So that is the Dose of Colors, and that retails for $24, so that's really awesome. So I'm really excited to try that out, and I will definitely use it in the future. So the last thing that I see in here is from the brand Ciate. So they did actually send bubble wrap too, which is really interesting. Boxycharm is upping their game for packaging. So the last thing I see is a Ciate palette. So I'm very interested to see what the color story is like for this. So the packaging is really cute. It's this blue and pink, kind of flowery. It's like giant leaves, so that's really cute. And when you open it up, oh, I don't like packaging like this. It's always impossible to open, especially if you have fake nails. Ooh. All right, so the palette looks like this. So it's not really a palette that I would necessarily go for. If I saw it online, I probably wouldn't gravitate to it just because it's not really my color story. It is a really pretty palette. It kind of reminds me of the Urban Decay, their gemstone palette that they have recently come out with. It kind of reminds me of that. I do like the fact that it comes with a really big mirror, but these colors aren't exactly colors that I would necessarily gravitate to. I will keep it and I will try it out for you guys in the future if you guys are interested. But again, this is not really a palette that I would really like. It has a lot of shimmers in it, and I do really like shimmers, but they are more of like on the neutral side with a couple splashes of color. It's kind of a neutral palette with a little bit of blue and green in there, and that's not really my favorite. So this retails for $32, which isn't too bad for an eyeshadow palette. It's just not really a palette that I would particularly have purchased myself, but that is the fun thing about subscription boxes. You get items that you wouldn't necessarily pick out yourself, and it's fun to try new things. So overall, I do think that the October box was really great. I did get a lot of items in here that are really awesome. I really like the lashes. That concealer's awesome. I do believe the concealer is something that I got to pick myself during, they let you pick one item. I do believe the concealer is the one that I chose. I do really like the fact that I got brushes. The palette is really pretty, but again, it's really not my color story. So I may try it out for you guys on my channel and then pass it along to a friend, just because I don't really necessarily think I would really get much use out of it. It'll probably just end up sitting in my palette drawer with all of my other palettes, and I have way too many palettes. That was everything that was in this month's Boxycharm. I know I'm a little bit late to the game for Boxycharm. I was supposed to post this in October, but it is November. It is what it is. My November box should be shipping pretty quickly here, but it'll still probably take like, you know, a month to get to me. But that was everything that was in this box. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. If you guys are enjoying my videos and my channel, please leave me a comment down below and just start up a conversation with me. I love talking to you guys. Let me know what you guys got in your Boxycharms. Let me know if you guys are still interested in Boxycharm unboxings. Let me know how you guys are feeling towards Boxycharm. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I like to keep subscription boxes just because I like to get brushes and stuff, and I like trying out new products, but I'm getting products that I don't really like at all, and products that have hair in it, or products that are broken, or my box doesn't come. It's just not been the best year for Boxycharm. And recently Ipsy their other subscription box that's out there recently bought Boxycharm. So that's interesting. I'm really interested to see where Boxycharm goes as a company, how the boxes are going to change now that Ipsy owns them, and what's going to happen with that. So let me know down below if you guys are interested in Ipsy taking over Boxycharm. Let me know if you guys are enjoying Boxycharm. Let me know if you've got a different variation of this box for October, and thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye!